Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Messenger not sending message. For example, if you try to send a message someone on Messenger but it couldn't send, then how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to check whether your message has been sending to any messenger or not, which means you have to send message to anyone. And if it's not sending any message, then first of all what you have to check, you have to simply check your data connection if you are connected to data connection. But if you are using Wi-Fi device, then you have to simply turn off your Wi-Fi device and turn it on again so that it can work properly. But if you are using data connection, then what you have to do, you have to simply click on airplane mode, which means you have to turn on the airplane mode. And after turning on the airplane mode, after a few seconds you have to turn it off so that your network connection can be restarted. And after that you have to check whether messenger is sending message now. If messenger is not sending message till then, what you can do is you can simply press and hold the app if you are using Android device. And if you are using iPhone or iOS device, you have to simply go to storage and you have to simply offload the app in Messenger. And after that, if you are using Android device, you have to simply force stop the app, and here you have to simply clear the cache. And after clearing the cache, the next thing you have to check whether your Messenger app is using your data connection or not, which means you have to go to permission and you have to check whether internet connection permission is allowed or not. If it is allowed and it is not occurring any problem, then what you can do is now you have to simply open Play Store, and here you have to simply go back and search for Messenger. And after that you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is not showing any kind of update, then you have to check again and you have to restart your device. And after restarting your device, you have to check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go to Messenger or Facebook and you can connect to Facebook help support so that they can help you in a better way. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.